Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you some of the best app-linked codes. Let's get started. Number 1, everything. This app-linked code lives up to its name. It includes a wide variety of apps, from streaming and utilities to tools and customization apps. It's a great all-in-one code if you don't want to search multiple stores. Number 2, Fire Stick. The Fire Stick code is very popular and beginner-friendly. You'll find many commonly used Fire Stick apps neatly organized, making it easy to download what you need without confusion. Number 3, 7919E0D. This code is well known in the AppLinked community for offering a solid mix of apps. It's frequently updated and includes both popular and lesser-known apps worth checking out. Number 4, EB2E4A4C is another reliable app-linked code that focuses on essential apps and tools. If you want a clean list without too much clutter, this one is a good option. Number 5, 96,960,000. This app-linked code is simple but effective. It features a selection of useful apps and is often used as a backup code when others are down or missing certain apps. So those were some of the best app-linked codes you can use right now. Remember, app availability can change at any time, so always check updates and use trusted sources. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.